Next topic, exercise 3.5, question number 4, 3, 4, 5. Question number 4, sub-question 3, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the text? Here 3 marks for each right answers and losing 1 mark for each wrong answers. In algebraic expression, how can you form the equation? That means 3 marks for each right answer. Let x be the number of right answers. 3 marks for each right answers means 3x. Total marks of right answers is 3x. How many marks for losing, that means wrong answer? 1 mark. Losing 1 mark represent negative sign, that is 3x minus 1 into y is equal to 40. Okay. Let x be the number of right answers and y be the number of wrong answers. This type of question has 2 cases. First case, 3 marks for each right answers, that means 3x. Okay. Losing 1 mark for each wrong answer, that is 1y equal to 40. This is the first case. In second case, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer, that means 4x minus how many incorrect answers? Y incorrect answers, 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answers, 2y equal to 50. This equation, the second equation, you can, the second equation divided by 2, this equation become 2x minus y equal to 25. This is the second equation. Okay. Here 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus 2, you can eliminate y variable. 1 minus 2, 3x minus 2x, x. Okay. Minus y minus minus y, that is plus y, that is equal to 0. 40 minus 25, that is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. Okay. Next one, you substitute x equal to 15 in 1, 3x minus y equal to 40, 3 into 15 minus y equal to 40, 45 minus y equal to 40, minus y equal to 40 minus 45, minus y equal to minus 5, y equal to 5. Okay. That means number of right answers 15, number of wrong answers 5. What is the total number of questions? Total number of questions in this text is number of questions, total number of questions, total number of questions equal to number of right answers plus number of wrong answers, that is equal to 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Okay, this is the answer. Next, this question is very important. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Here in this question already given two situations. In first situation, what's it? A and B are 100 kilometer apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. This is the first situation. If the cars travel in the same direction, okay, at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. This is the first case. Second case, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Okay, let here A this destination car 1, car 2, okay, this apart 100 kilometer apart. A to C 5 hours, B to C also 5 hours. Okay, what is the speed of first car? X kilometer per hour. Speed of car 2, y kilometer per hour. The car 1 start from A, car 2 starts from B. Okay, like here, what is the formula to find distance equal to speed into time, or speed equal to distance by time? Okay, here what is the distance? Distance AC. This is case 1. Okay, case 1. AC equal to, what is the speed? Speed equal to x kilometer, car 1 x kilometer into time. Time what is it? 5. That is 5x AC. Next is second car 2 BC distance. Okay, speed y into same time 5 hours. 5y equal to 5y. In this figure, AC equal to AB plus BC, correct? In this figure, AC equal to AB plus BC. AC equal to, what is AC? 5x. 5x is equal to, AB equal to, what's the distance AB? 100 kilometer. 100 plus 5y. You just rearrange this. 5x minus 5y equal to 100. Okay, x minus y equal to 20. This is the first equation. Okay, next is second case. Here these two cars traveled opposite direction. Okay, these two cars traveled opposite direction. This is a case 2. A car 1, so this B, C car 2. Okay, travel 1 hour. Here also traveled 1 hour. Distance 100 kilometer, or the distance. Okay, AC distance 100 kilometer. Okay, then how can you write it? First distance equal to speed into time. Distance AB, first car AB, speed x into 1, that is x. Next BC, what is the BC? Y into 1, speed into time equal to y. Here AB plus AC, sorry, AB plus BC equal to AC in this figure. X plus y equal to total distance 100. Okay, this is the second equation. Okay, from first equation x minus y equal to first equation x minus y equal to 20. This is the first equation. Second equation x plus y equal to 100. Here first equation and second equation you add it, you will eliminate y variable. Okay. Then here x plus x 2x minus y plus y, add this two variable part, you can eliminate, that means 0. Okay. 20 plus 100 120, x is equal to 1. Speed, it is x kilometer per hour, and y also, what's it, 40 kilometer per hour. X represent speed of the first car equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Second car 2 speed equal to what, 40 kilometer per hour. Next, fifth one. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay, if we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Okay. Here also, in this question also, two cases. What are the two cases? First, the area of rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? When length is equal to x, breadth equal to y, x into y, that is xy. Okay. The same thing here, the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units, x into y, xy minus 9. In which condition reduced 9? The length is reduced by 5 units. Length is x, reduced by 5 units means x minus 5, into breadth is increased by 3 units, into y plus 3 is equal to xy. Xy, actual area xy, from that area reduced by 9 square units, that means xy minus 9. Let x and y be the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Area of rectangle equal to x into y equal to xy. Okay. Here, if its length is reduced by 5 units, that means x minus 5 into, next increased by 3 units, y plus 3 equal to xy minus 9. Okay. Here, open the bracket, multiply the binomials, x into y, xy, x into 3 plus 3x, minus 5 into y, minus 5y, minus 5 into 3, minus 15 equal to xy minus 9. Xy and plus xy both are cancelled. 3x minus 5y equal to 9 minus 9, minus 15 become what? Plus 50. This become what? (3x minus 5y equal to 6). Question number 1. Okay. Okay. Next case. This is a case 1. Case 1. Okay. Next case 2. What's the case 2? If we increase the length by 3 units, that means x plus 3, and the breadth by 2 units, y plus 2, the area increases by 67. Then how can you write it? X plus 3 x into y plus 2 equal to xy plus 67. X plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to xy plus 67. Length increased by 3 units, breadth increased by 2 units, area also increased by 67 units. That means x plus 3 into y plus 2 equal to xy plus 67. Open the bracket, xy plus x into 2, 2x plus 3 into y, 3y plus 6 equal to xy plus 67. xy and xy you can cancel. Then next 2x plus 3y equal to 67 minus 6. 2x plus 3y equal to 61. This is the second equation. Okay. Here 3x minus 5y equal to 6, first equation. Next 2x plus 3y equal to 61, the second equation. Okay. Using by cross multiplication method, you can find out the value of x and y. X by negative 5, 3, 6, 61. Otherwise, you can write negative 61, negative 61. You will get it positive also. Okay, negative 61 equal to y by next negative 6, negative 61. Next 3, 2. 1 by 3, 2, negative 5, 3. So cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, x divided by 105 minus 18, okay, is equal to y divided by negative 12 minus 183 is equal to 1 divided by 9 minus 10. Okay, x divided by 323 equal to y divided by 171 equal to 1 by 90. Okay, x is equal to 323 by 19 equal to equal to 17, y equal to 171 by 19 equal to 9, breadth equal to y equal to 9 units, length equal to x equal to 17 units. Homework, exercise 3.5, question number 4, 1 and 2.